Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to set a static IP in Windows 11 quickly and easily. So let's get started. Firstly, go to Start menu. Here you will search for Settings. Tap to open Settings. Now go to Network and Internet. Now open your Wi-Fi. Then select your connected network like this. Scroll down and look for IP assignment. Here you will see and click on Edit. Click on the drop down option and select Manual. Then turn on IP4 and here you will enter your IP address like example 192.168. This is for only example purpose. You can enter your own IP here. Then enter subnet task. Then enter gateway. Then enter preferred DNS like I am entering 8.8.8.8 and then click on save. That's it. You have successfully set a static IP address in Windows 11. If this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.